quite amazing. And it's just a weekday, like it's not even a weekend or anything. Sean here from the amazing city of Da Nang in Vietnam. Today we're gonna check out Da Nang Beach. Let's go. I took a leap and embarked on full-time travel in 2022, armed with drones and cameras. I share my adventures as I travel across Southeast Asia. Venturing into the unknown has been both exhilarating and rewarding. To me, Southeast Asia is a goldmine of experiences, rich in culture, amazing people, delicious food, and unforgettable adventures. And it's this very essence that I share with you. So pack your curiosity, buckle up, and subscribe to join me on my wild adventures through the amazing cities, unbelievable landscapes, and hidden gems of Southeast Asia. Join me as we explore Da Nang Beach, the Promenade, the Vietnamese culture, and all the activities that you can do at Da Nang Beach. So it's still golden hour. It's like 6:30 in the morning and the beach is actually packed. You've even got girls dressed up in dresses, getting photos done. There's like dancing and activities going on down there. Vietnam's very active early in the morning. They get up early, come down to the beach and do a lot of their exercise, and some even do their photo shoots, get dressed up in dresses, and it's just a weekday. Like it's not even a weekend or anything. It's quite amazing. I know it's a city, but I've been in Sydney, and you get up at sunrise in Sydney and you might get the occasional person going for their morning walk or morning run. You don't see anything like this. My impressions of Da Nang, it's a pretty nice place. Like for a city on the beach, it's pretty cool. It does remind me of Gold Coast back home in Australia. People call it the Florida of Vietnam. And it's just that city on the beach. It's a massive stretch of white sand beach. It's actually really nice. The water's pretty clean. It's not clear like you get when you get out onto some of the islands in Southeast Asia, but for a beach on the city, the water's No different to what you see in Australia. People are friendly here. Even just walking down the beach, the locals will say hi to you. I guess there's a sense of community here, which is pretty cool. The first night here, I just went for a walk to find somewhere to eat and walked around the corner, found a market, and we stopped at a restaurant to have dinner. And then they were setting up the stage and they had a performance, just a street performance on. Yeah, it was cool. It was showing traditional and modern dance, musicians, singers. Totally unexpected, but very cool just the same. Yeah, this whole beach vibe of the city, it's good. A lot of people rent surfboards and go surfing here. The waves aren't huge. Like, it's a good place to learn to surf. There is a bit of a surf culture here, but it is mostly people learning to surf. So they have this pretty cool promenade right next to the beach. It's pretty good. That's cool. It's got that beach city vibe to it. It is very much a digital nomad culture here. It's a very livable city. You've got everything. And while in other parts of Vietnam there can be a language barrier, I haven't had any problems here. So let's go in and check out this water. The water's pretty clean here because they have a lot of bins at the beach. The promenade's quite clean. There's not a great deal of sand on it because they've got taps to wash your sand off your feet and things like that. So from the beach to the promenade, it's quite good. So they've got some lifeguards here as well. You've probably heard the whistle there. So it's patrol beaches, so you do have that security. They've got flagged areas where you shouldn't swim and then areas where you should. So temperature in Da Nang is a bit cooler to Thailand, but the water temperature is still really good. It's like 22 to 24 degrees, so still the water temperature is good. It gets quite hot, like today is top of 32 but feels like 36, 37. So that's degrees Celsius, not Fahrenheit. Quite a nice beach. The waves aren't too choppy, so it's pretty safe for swimming. Plus you've got the patrol beaches, so the lifeguards as well. So all pretty safe. It's good. It's a nice place, that's for sure. For beaches in Southeast Asia, I can see why Danang's so popular. It's actually less busy during the middle of the day. It's quite a nice spot. Good place to go for a swim for sure. Always grab a drink from one of the many marts and bring it down to the nearby beach. There's some small bars and clubs right on the beach where you can grab a drink or something to eat as well. And there is my favorite viewpoint of Danang Beach, which I'll show you later on. There's a rooftop bar that we'll check out, so make sure you stick around for that. Other than swimming and chilling on the beach, you've also got beach volleyball and parasailing as well. Just heading back to my room now. I'm gonna pick up the bike and I'll take you to one of my favorite spots. It's like 4:30 in the afternoon now, so I feel like grabbing a drink, and what better than a place with an amazing view of the beach. All right, let's go. Just here at Horizons Bar, they have an amazing view of the beach just here. You can see all the way down the beach, really nice. They do a pretty decent happy hour too, from 5:30, buy one get one free for a couple of hours. So yeah, definitely worthwhile checking out this place if you are in and around the beach in Danang. It's the best view of the beach from a bar, and you're right sitting around a pool, and one of my favorite places to come have a cold beer, enjoy the amazing view. So that's it for Danang Beach. I still got Bana Hills to come, the monthly wrap, and I'm also back in Thailand after that as well. So if that sounds good to you, make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe button. If you have subscribed already, thank you. You are awesome. You're the reason why I make these videos, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.